Hello everybody, this is Israel from Tiny Topanga. Wanted to share with you the news. We just got one of these lots in Texas, the little town called Fredericksburg. It's wine country. So we're gonna have here a showroom. This is going to be also on rent. It's ready for sale. So if you're interested in the area and wanna experience the tiny house living, this is a good option, a good opportunity. This house is fully ready to receive people and also ready for sale. So stay tuned for more information. We're gonna give you guys later a walk through this house, all of the amenities, all of the spots. This one is good to fit up to 6 people. Be showing you all the details. Thank you. So let's take a tour of this beautiful house, Tiny Topanga. Come on guys, let's go. As I mentioned before, this particular design can fit up to 6 guys. Let's start from here. That ladders can take us to that loft. We'll go in a minute up there. We have a full kitchen here. These little details. Black kitchen. We're still waiting for the fridge. Stove and oven right here. We really got some little things to start receiving people. Full sink. Drawers over there. Washer and dryer. Coming this way, have the living room area. A lot of natural lights. More over there. This built-in stairs, also with plenty of storage. That's gonna take us to the main bedroom. Look how nice this looks. A lot of also storage for clothing. Natural ventilation as well. Let's have another look from this side. Our heating and cooling system. Going up here, this ladder will take us to this loft where we are going to be finding more beds. Plenty of outlets. If we go this way, it's also going to find another one, also with plenty of ventilation. Let's go to the bathroom now, taking a little longer. It's a really nice couch. We're gonna be putting a TV right here. And let's go here. Look at this. Really nice bathroom. Flushing toilet. A decent size shower. The sink is here. Bathroom sink. Also with natural ventilation, and a washer and dryer. This is super roomy. Our little cute barn door right here. And so this is it, guys. This is called the Ojai model. Super modern design. Of course, we do also always custom projects, so everything in the design choices that we included in this house, we can always play with them and make a house like the way you want it. So this house is going to be ready again to receive people. We're gonna use it as a showroom. We still have to hang some decoration on the walls, but it's pretty much ready, ready for sale, ready for rent. And we are located in between Austin and San Antonio in Texas. So I hope you like, guys, this tour, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.